Greetings and welcome to another tutorial for the multi-store add-ons for WooCommerce, which is a plugin that you can use to manage multiple WooCommerce stores easily and efficiently. It also comes with a lot of useful features which enhance or upgrade the standard features of WooCommerce, and some of these features include distance rate shipping, location picker, store-wise payments, and so on. In this video, we will be going over the cutoff time feature in the local pickup shipping method. So let's get started. Let's head over to the WordPress dashboard. Once we are here, we will go over to the Agile Store Locator plugin and click on the WooCommerce tab. Once we are here, we'll select the local pickup tab here, scroll down, and here we have the enable cutoff time option. So the cutoff time is a time period that you can use to prepare a customer's order. Once a customer places their order, there's no telling when they will come to collect their order. They can come after a few days, within a couple of hours, or even after a few minutes. Whatever the case may be, you must make sure that their order is ready so that they have a good shopping experience. So the cutoff time can be used to prepare the order. You can use this time to either pack their products, or you can use it to retrieve the products from some faraway location and bring it to the pickup point that the customer selected. So let's say I need 2 days to prepare a customer's order. I may need to bring a product from a warehouse that is far away. So I'll go over to the cutoff time. Firstly, I'll enable the cutoff time option. Then I'll select a cutoff time value, which is 2 days in my case. I can even select a time slot interval. Let's go with a 30-minute time slot interval. Once all of this is added, I'll click on Save Settings, and the cutoff time value will be added to the WooCommerce store. Now let's see how this will look like on our cart page. So once the customer arrives at the cart page, they will select a store. So once the store is selected, they will get a calendar to choose their pickup date. So since today is the 22nd of March, you can see that the 22nd and 23rd have been crossed out, which correspond to the 2-day cutoff time. So the first available slot is on the 24th. And once the customer selects this slot, you can also select a time, which is in the 30-minute interval which we selected. And once they have selected the date and the time, they can then proceed to checkout. You will be able to use the cutoff time period now to prepare their order. And that's all for this video. Thank you very much for watching, and have a nice day.